Hello. Today I will be talking about installing a bed in the back of the Sprinter. Now, I would like to install the bed crossways, but there's a problem with doing that. And from this point to this point is 67 inches. Now, I am 5'9" and my wife is 5'9", and 67 inches would be bumping her feet and her head on the end of the bed. So I've decided to build an inset that would give me approximately 3 to 4 more inches of bed length. That would solve the head and foot problem. However, there's not enough room in the back of the Sprinter to install a bed because of this panel right here. Now, I've been told by professional van conversion people that this panel is a support for the roof and should never be removed. Well, I grew up and spent 40 years in a plant, managing a plant, and I was always an engineering rebel to get the job done. So I began to think about this, and I thought, well, I can make a support to replace that one, and it'll be just as good. So I decided to do it. So I have this support fabricated. It is a 1x4 channel, and it's been cut to fit right inside the cavity of the van. So now then we've got this channel iron that is supporting the structure of the van, and now I feel comfortable with removing this one. I've ran into a little surprise, however, when I removed the first one, is I found that behind the panel there's a piece of structural steel which is still supporting the van. So that's a plus. So what we have now with this channel iron and this existing piece of metal, the van is actually stronger now than it was before. So I've removed this. My next step will be removing this one, and then we will come back with another video and show you exactly how I will install the bed. Meanwhile, I went to the library to do some research on exactly how to do this, and there was this blonde in front of me, and she walks up to the counter and says, "I'd like a hamburger and fries." And the librarian said, "This is a library." And she said, "Oh, I'm sorry.